Hello and welcome to another Team Know-How tutorial. My name is David and today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on iOS 11. Many of you might not even be aware that this feature exists on the iPhone, and that's no surprise considering this feature is actually disabled by default. So in this video we'll cover everything including adding that functionality to the handset, recording your first bit of footage, and also how to do some simple edits to the video afterwards. Before we can begin recording the screen, the first thing we'll need to do is to add a button to the control center on the handset. Now the control center can be accessed by sliding your finger up from the bottom edge of the screen as so, and in here you'll see the brightness, the volume controls and the calculator app, but no screen record button. To add this, first head back to your home screen and then find settings. In settings locate control center and then customize controls. At the top of this list are things that have already been added to the control center and below the controls that haven't yet been included. To add a new control, find the one that you're looking for, so in this case we're looking for screen recording, and then tap on the green plus symbol next to it to add that to the list at the top. While we're here, you can remove any unwanted items from the control center by tapping on the red minus symbol next to one of these, and you'll see that gives you a remove symbol there that appears. So go ahead and tap on that and that'll remove the app. Head back to your home screen and then swipe up again from the bottom to get back to the control center. You'll see there's a new button here, this new circle icon. That's the screen record button. To begin recording, you simply need to tap on that button then you'll get a 3-second countdown. Now don't worry if you're not quite ready to start recording, your finished video can be cropped down and we'll get to that later. Once you've finished doing what it is you wanted to record, head back into the control center by swiping up from the bottom and tap on that screen record button again. You'll get a notification that appears at the top of the screen and that'll tell you that the recording has been saved to your Photos library. Head back to the home screen to find the Photos app, which is that one there, and you'll see that's your new video. Go ahead and tap on that and you can play it straight away. If you need to edit that video, go ahead and tap on the edit button in the top right hand corner, and this will give you a timeline at the bottom of the screen here. You can scrub through it by going left and right with the white outline you can see there, it's going back and forth through the video. If you need to edit it, you can drag these arrows from the left and the right to give you a smaller video. And when you're happy with that edit, go ahead and tap on the done symbol and it will give you the option to save it as a new clip. Go ahead and save that as a new clip, and if you go back to your photo library, you'll see there's now 2 videos there, one longer, one obviously shorter, and the shortest one there is your new edited video. Now if you need to delete your original, go ahead and tap on that original and you'll see there's a bin symbol at the bottom, and that'll ask you if you want to delete that video. Go ahead and do that, which will leave you just your edited video in the Photos app. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, leave a comment if you have any other questions, and of course do subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from Team Know-How.